When I say to people that they ask me, what do you do? And I say, I sell buttons. I say, buttons, everybody go likes buttons. You say, yes, buttons. Everybody use buttons. These buttons are so beautiful that you can make anything that your mind can create, when you see them. It's all use your imagination. I'm Mildred Rivera from San Juan, Puerto Rico. I born in Old San Juan, and my family used to have a store for 52 years of vintage buttons and socks. One day I was in the store with my little kid, and then she comes, Mommy, can I use these buttons to make a bracelet? And I said, yeah, of course. And I have a little strip there, so she started, and then when she comes in and say, and I saw them, it was like a little band, all full of buttons, different buttons, small ones. And when I saw it, I said, wow, you just gave me an idea. And everybody goes like, what's that? I say, buttons, buttons. And they go like, see them, each one of them, And then I started with the bracelets, first of all. And then everything started like growing with my bracelets. So I started making necklaces. And it's not easy to match them, to put them together, match the colors. And it's very strange that I make two of them, because just to concentrate in one, and get me maybe month, maybe 1 month, maybe 3 months, depends.